Turn to the right side and switch on both batteries on the right electric deck.
Отказала
Then
основная
locate the power from
гидросистема.
bed switch. Open the
Отказал
cover and
насос
move the switch to the
трансформерного
up
блока.
position. Activate
Отказал
PO750A
генератор.
power inverter. Watch the appropriate light is lit above the switch. If you are unable to see the bottom part of the electric deck, slide your camera view to the right with smart control cluster. Close the door by clicking the door handle with the mouse, or use left control plus C. Pressurize the cockpit by opening the pressure valve on the left side. Rotate the wheel handle counterclockwise by dragging it to release the main rotor shaft brake by lowering the brake lever on the right side of the seat. Turn to the left and up a bit and locate the fire protection panel. Move master switch and fire extinguisher switches to the up position.
Пожар левого двигателя. Борт 2. 4.
Switch on service tanks, fuel cut-off valves, crossfeed and transfer pumps for all tanks. If you are equipped with external tanks, switch the appropriate external tank's rocker to the up position also.
4.
At the next step, we'll start the auxiliary power unit, APU. During APU start, we have to monitor battery voltage. Now, we are ready to start the APU. Check if APU start crank false start rocker set to start. While APU is spinning up, please monitor. Exhaust gas temperature rises but not exceeds 880. Voltage is not below 18 volts. The green after on light should go out during the first 30 seconds after the start. When APU goes idle, check if green APU normal RPM lamps is lit. Green normal oil press lamp is lit. EGT readings don't exceed 720. It's the right time to start main helicopter engines. We must start from the leeward engine. Today the wind blows from the right, so we have to start the left engine first. Check if the engine side rocker crank start set to start, and the engine start selector switch is set to left engine position. Press the start button, immediately lower the left engine stop lever. Failing to do so, we'll terminate the normal starting procedure. Use right control plus page up if convenient. The engine should come to idle power in no more than 60 seconds. Monitor the following parameters during spin-up. Green auto on and amber starter on, lights up. Steady RPM increase and main rotor blade starts to move. Oil pressure at 45% of turbine RPM is not lower than 1 kg per square centimeter. Amber starter on light should turn off at 60-65% of RPM. Green auto on light should maintain the lead state no more than 33 seconds. Warning: during each engine startup, it's forbidden to move aircraft control sticks, engine RPM handle, or swing engine start selector rocker to another engine. When the left engine goes idle, repeat the procedure for the right engine. Select right engine by switching the engine start rocker to right position first. Lower the right engine stop lever to down position. Check warning lights, RPM, temperature increase, and oil pressure gauges for normal readings. Wait until engines run at idle for 1 minute. Note: in the case of prolonged APU warm-up or engine test runs, engage the APU generator to provide battery recharge using the APU generator switch on the right electric panel. Do not forget to temporarily switch it off during the engine start phase to avoid possible APU overload. Activate dust filters prior to increasing torque. It's forbidden to increase RPM until engine oil temperature reaches 30 degrees and main gearbox temperature below -50. Place the mouse cursor over the collective stick grip. Depress the right mouse button and rotate the grip marked gas clockwise using a mouse wheel. You can use page up key instead. At the moment the main rotor speed reaches 95 ±2. Engage main generators on the right electric panel. Watch the right electric panel. Turn both PO750A and power from battery switches back to off position. Switch the main 115 and 36 volts transformers on, moving the rockers to the up position. Switch on both rectifiers. Stop APU turbo engine, pressing Stop APU button on the left side. Power on the guidance system by switching comp system rocker to the up position. Power on both vertical gyro systems. Now we have to test the gyros using ADI and pitch roll indicators. First, depress for 1 or 2 seconds corresponding cage buttons for both vertical gyros on the main instrumental deck. Watch both red gyro warning lamps above the buttons go off. Also, notice red markers on ADI pitch and roll indicator go off. ADI indication should coincide with current aircraft pitch and roll parking angles. Set adjust stop switch to on. Note the red warning lamp located to the right diminishes and zero indicator bar settles near the center according to the current ambient air density. That indicates the normal working state of SPUU 52. Note that at near sea level altitudes, low or moderate temperatures, when air density is high, the bar may settle to the right of center. In the conditions of low air density, the bar may stay in the leftmost position. In the next step, we'll engage autopilot control channels. Use backspace key to hide the sticks and obscuring cockpit elements. In the case of autopilot panel is not reachable by the mouse. You may also make the left mouse click on the forward edge of the seat to produce the same action. To press 3 green on buttons to activate yaw, roll and pitch control channels. Press backspace again to show hidden sticks back. Look to the left and power on all radio and communication systems. Switch radio altimeter, Doppler, blink, radar warning power and IFF system to on. In 3 minutes after the guidance system is powered, you may align it. Look to the bottom panel. Check if the 3-position mode selector is set to mine. Then, to press alignment button for set ARK 15 panel mode, switch to cam position. Power on the ARK U2 directional finder panel, located under your left elbow. Switch air conditioner mode to condition on the right panel under your right elbow. This will bring conditioned air to the cockpit. Now we're ready to start taxi. Proceed with the following. Release park and brake, left shift plus W. Push the cyclic stick forward smoothly and increase the pitch of the main rotor by gently lifting the collective stick. Lower the collective stick when the helicopter starts to move. Use short anti-torque pedal pushes to adjust movement direction. Maintain slow forward motion with longitudinal movements of cyclic control stick and wheel brakes when needed. Do not exceed the speed of 20 km per hour. Enable control position overlay indication. Right Ctrl plus Enter to help you accommodate with controls. Turn left to the taxiway. Taxi along the path to the runway. Enter the runway. Turn left and land the forward wheel along the center line.
сказал генератор.